See, the plant was ready to find its new home. The final step is to Alright, so today we're going to be transplanting this ficus plant into a bigger pot. This is a 7-gallon pot I got. It has holes at the bottom, which is really important for the water to be absorbed by the roots. And so we'll be doing that today, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first is we're going to be using our soil, and we're going to be placing it into the bucket. So let's go ahead and cut this open. All right. I'm going to place the bucket right here near our soil. And let's get this going. I also had some leftover organic outdoor potting mix, so I'm gonna put some of it in here at the top. See, it's a darker color. All right. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of water to the soil. And we're gonna grab our ficus plant. You're gonna be surprised. You can see the roots already growing.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
And we're gonna be placing it right here, okay? We'll add more soil as well to make sure that the plant is a little bit higher. All right. Now I'm gonna add some bone meal. These are nutrients for the plant to grow. All right, we're gonna mix it. And so, go ahead and mix that. And let's go ahead and grab our plant. We're gonna remove it from its base. All right. So let me show you what that looks like. All right. So this is the root system of the plant. Roots right here. Show you around. You can see the plant was ready to find its new home. We're gonna dig a hole in the middle where we can put its roots, and there you go. That's how you put more soil around it. I noticed that I need to put a little bit more soil, so let's go ahead and put our soil there. Essentially getting as close as possible to the rim of the bucket. There you go. Cool. So we are just wrapping up here. The final step is to add water to your plant, and then it should be ready to go. And let's see how the plant likes its new home. And that's how you transplant your plants. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.